Man, when buying a home for the first time, there is a lot to be concerned with, such as securing the right loan, choosing the right real estate agent, finding the right house to purchase in the right neighborhood. And if you managed all of that, now it's time to open escrow. What's escrow? Hello again, this is Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. Thanks for watching this video. In today's video, we are explaining what is escrow when you are buying and selling a property. So if you're interested in this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Escrow 101. What is escrow? Escrow is the depositing of transfer documents such as deeds in order to transfer the title to the property. The buyers deposits funds, their initial deposit with escrow. The escrow officer is a neutral third party whose job is to carry out provisions of the escrow instructions. When you successfully win a bid or the seller accepts your offer, usually an escrow is opened right away. Opening escrow involves sending a fully executed purchase agreement. That's a contract signed by all principals or parties. And you send the initial buyer's deposit to an escrow company. Once the escrow officer has received the necessary funds and paperwork, that escrow officer will assign that new transaction an escrow number. You should use that escrow number when you communicate with that escrow officer. Also, when an escrow is open, the escrow officer is given all relevant information in order to process and complete that escrow. Information such as contact information for the buyers, the sellers, the buyer's lenders, the seller's lender, the title company, all service providers involved in the transaction. As you can imagine, the escrow officer is responsible for preparing and completing a lot of paperwork. Again, the escrow officer is a neutral third party in the real estate transaction. They cannot and do not give legal advice. They cannot and do not get involved in negotiations between the principals, who are the buyers and the sellers. Nor can the escrow officer favor any one party over another. Buyers and sellers aren't the only ones that use escrows. All types of transactions use escrows to facilitate the transfer. In this particular case, we're taking a look at buying, selling, refinancing of business opportunities as well as mobile homes. All of these transactions use escrow. This is also important to understand that escrows function differently depending on the state and or region you are located. In this particular case, we're in Southern California. Question of the day: had you ever heard of the term escrow prior to shopping for a house? If so, let me know where you first heard about the term escrow. Let me know in the comments. When is an escrow all over with? When the escrow officer has ensured that all of the conditions of the transaction have been met. The lender will then fund a loan for the borrower. The escrow officer will release the transfer documents to the county recorder's office to be recorded. Once confirmation of recording has been received by the escrow officer will complete closing statements, and dispersed funds. If you've gotten value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. Feel free to give me a call as well as send me an email. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.